like half got ready. Me, at least. About to head to breakfast, and then we're going to the tallest building at like 11:30. So we need to like pick up the pace. Breakfast is up there. We're using the escalators though.
Like every time we come across people, it's just like, oh hey, let me get to the left. No, dumbass, get to the right of me. You stay to the right.
They finally had the noodles I wanted back. I've been waiting days for this. We got some baked beans, bacon, and hash browns. We're just sitting out here now, waiting for my mom. So we have to leave, apparently, like, now, because the thing's at 11:30 and it's 10:44, and she said it takes 30 minutes to get there, and we're still gonna find the place, yada yada yada. I'm not even gonna do my makeup.
So upset, I didn't even think about that. My friend just looked on my story and was like, I like the way you're fitting in with the culture. I should have put my turban I bought yesterday on with the fit. Since I'm wearing black, I got the black turban yesterday too. It would have been so tough. Oh man. Hey vlog.
We wanna try sitting on the silver balls. The seat is very not comfortable. It's cold. Hard. I wonder how much all of these cost a piece. This is probably like 1K, you think?
1K.
Mm-hmm.
You think it's platinum or something?
I wouldn't. Doubt it. Still guys. We're in the mall now. We're trying to get to the tower. We're already late. Now we're waiting in line to go up there. This is the place. It's a little blurry. Cute. Look at this, guys. Look at this fancy little staircase. Pictures here would be pretty. I wonder what's up here. I said if you weren't recording anything.
Tourist. Tourist. Cannot tell your ears.
So pretty.
Pleasure. That is a record. You see how fast 124 124
That's a nice looking pool. This place isn't all that. There's not really much. There's just this tiny area. And it's hot. Very hot. So cute. Oh.
It's a little zoomed in.
Are you tired now? What the hell?
That's weird, right?
Yeah. It definitely looks fake.
Yeah. I don't like it.
They got VR here. Look at the lights. That's pretty cool. I want to do that. They got a whole PC in here. I don't know what this is. It's pretty cool. I don't know how people actually do this. Like, no. Oh, there's a crack here. We got some souvenirs we can take. Not take, buy. shower, some cups, backpacks. Whoa, that's cool. This is like a leather material.
It's a leather hat.
This thing's pretty cool. I can see how it once looked. Like that. And I can like zoom in over here. Like people just come to the desert and just think, oh, I'm gonna make a huge city here. And I can see it at night, how it is now. It's so pretty. My mom just spent $1,600 something in their money. I'm gonna get this little red leather keychain, and they have license plates that I spotted, and I'm gonna get either that one or that one. I like how the words are on that one better. I like the colors on that one better. And my man, thank you to my man. You know that TikTok sound? Thank you, baby. We're leaving now, guys. I want to get this for Kalita. There's like other options like these I really like. This one I really like, but it's kind of like, I don't like how the finish of it is kind of matte on the top compared to like this, like these. But she's been saying she needs like decoration for her room or like to redecorate. I really like this one, but I don't like it has a silver on it too. But I feel like this would be cute on her like dresser. Just put like some jewelry in here. My mom said it looks like a coffin, but I think it's so cute. Like the roses on there. I was also considering getting her this one since she reads the, I don't know how you say it, the Quran? I don't know about the bedazzles. And it kind of just lays flat, so like, I don't know. I think this one's like more dainty and cute. This one also opens up. All these are so cute. I want one of these too, not gonna lie. Or like that one. I didn't get anything for her birthday because she said she didn't want anything. No, I'm getting her something. Considering getting her this little swan too, but I feel like a box would be cute. Like this. And I really want one too, but my mom won't get me one. I really like these. This is like the book she reads for her religion, I'm pretty sure. But these are so expensive, yeah. We're back in Balmain because he wanted to get some stuff. And I want to go to the Bape store to see if they have anything I like. He's buying a t-shirt and some shoes. We've gone to like at least 3 different spots to try to find a taxi. Now I have to go to the other side of the mall to get one. We're on the way to the pool now before we get in the yacht. Oh, here's the video I was talking about where it's like highly... Okay, we missed the beginning, but we're headed to the pool. The yacht's picking us up at 5:30, so we're gonna be there for like 40 minutes and then come back to the room and get ready. We're at a different pool this time, I think. We're headed back to the hotel now, to our room. We need to get ready quick. It's already 4:30, so we need to go. We got ready. I couldn't even make it get ready with me because my mom told me 5:30, but it was actually 6. But it's whatever. We're waiting for the car to come pick us up to go have a dinner on the yacht. So here's the outfit. So cute. Sorry, it's getting foggy because it's really humid. So you guys are gonna have to deal with that. But it's like 6:30 something, and they were supposed to be here at 5:30 to 6. Now she's texting, or they're texting my mom and saying that we have to get a taxi. Which is so stupid. Like, they're not even compensating for it either.
Dinner starts at 7.
Right.
We don't even know how far it is. And
like,
I don't know if y'all ever seen videos of yachts leaving people behind, but they don't wait for them. We might not be able to get on the yacht, but we'll keep y'all updated.
The dinner's at 7:30 and we booked a taxi. So yeah, hopefully we make it because I did not get ready for no reason. And I want to go on the yacht. We got a little gaming thing in here. We're playing Flip the Bottle. This is the best game so far. Mine's harder.
Hey, it's your best game so far. Guys, we made it to the yacht. So cute.
I'm starving. So hopefully dinner is served quick. How's that?
That was good.
You're so pretty. Still bad.
Good evening, welcome from your suite. We would like to visit you.
It is hot up here, but I got pasta, more pasta, potato salad. I thought these were pupusas. I'm not sure what this is. We got some chicken, noodles, bread. They just put this thing down, so we're gonna start moving soon. It's becoming nighttime. It looks like we're like barely fitting under the bridge.
You're doing that Fast and Furious.
Barely. Just barely.
People don't listen.
Starting to get turned.
We made it, guys.
See, it was good idea to go, right? It looks so pretty up there. I heard it, yeah. Hold on, what is this coming on? I hope so.
I'll go crazy.
Wake me up. We need another song to come out. Like that, yeah, song. Do you think we can buy drinks? Finally, the breeze feels so good. He got me biscotti. I can do that.
I like those sunglasses.
Guys, look at that. It's so pretty. My mom put my hair in her ponytail. I bet it looks stupid. And she's trying to get me to dance with a DJ, but I don't want to do that.
Show the side. Yo, that don't look dumb. For one bobby pin, the only thing that's out is right here.
I can feel it
For
look
one
dumb.
bobby pin, her mom killed it.
We just went to dance, but now there's a show. Hey guys, sorry I didn't do a little outro yesterday. Some technical difficulties happened yesterday, so I didn't record anything else, but we're about to go eat breakfast and then go in the pool for a bit and then go to the mall and then, I don't know, go in the pool again. Today is our last full day and then we have tomorrow and we're leaving tomorrow, so yeah.
Let's go, vlog.
I'm wearing this shirt today.
She is wearing my shirt. Pretty nice shirt.
I think this is the one that's different from yesterday.
That's the one you got the first day.
Yeah, the one from yesterday was the same type of noodles but different. Kind of hard to grab. Should I try the smoked salmon?
Mm-hmm.
Should I try the smoked salmon?
Yeah. Smoked salmon is better than raw.
I like raw salmon. Thank you so much. We gotta get the most important ingredient, soy sauce.
Thank you.
We have different bowls this time. I should have put a bigger spoon. Alright, that's it for me for right now. Hey guys, we just finished breakfast. I asked him to get me frozen acai, but the worker told him that it was like too frozen.
Here, I'll explain this part to you, vlog. The dude told me, he was, damn, what is going on? Anyways, he said it just got made, so he wasn't able to like scoop it and it could only be used as a topping, which I think he was just capping, but it's okay. Because she got the lemon sorbet anyways.
Yeah, so we're gonna get a pool ball.
Alright. Can we get one of the pool balls? Do you want one of the wave runners or what do you want?
Are these soft? Oh, this is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like this one?
This one is a
Ooh.
different material.
Which one do you like more?
This one has more grip to catch.
Yeah, let's go with this one.
Okay, yeah.
This one.
Package this little boxing video. Ta-da! Sponsor me. Guys, we're checking out this pool because normally we go to the one down there. But it doesn't seem like anyone's over here. Missed opportunity. They could have made it an infinity pool instead of putting that concrete slab on top of there. It's okay. Got the whole pool to ourselves. Alright guys, I just got ready. We got back from the pool and we showered and everything. Here is the outfit to go to the mall. So cute. This is his outfit. All black to match me. Except I have a little red, but it's okay. But we're headed there right now. Okay guys, we're at the mall. We're trying to find McDonald's. Us Americans, right?
Yeah.
But I could go to some McDonald's. It's so busy in here. We found the McDonald's though. We got a 20-piece nugget to share. I got a Big Mac meal. You got, what'd you get?
I got double cheeseburger.
They got like, they serve like donuts and stuff here too, brownies, like.
They got a mushroom chicken sandwich.
Here's our food. They don't have ranch, which really sucks. I don't know if they have ranch anywhere else, but I don't know. We're gonna enjoy food. Bye guys. He's trying on the shoes. We're back at the place. We just stopped by Sephora because I noticed that I needed some lip gloss because mine like wore off. So I went in there and put on some. Put on a clear one and then like a beigeish one, but I don't know why on camera it looks pink. We're going to the babe store, guys. Guys, we finally found the vape store. I don't like this shoe because it's like fuzzy. Can you guys tell? Fuzzy. I also like these and these, but I like the fuzzy ones better. Those ones are okay. I don't think I would ever find an outfit. I like these too. It's just like a gray. I was really looking for the brown ones. They don't have it. We made it back to the hotel. We took a taxi back. We're gonna go change back into our bathing suits. And so I'm gonna change back into this later so we can take pictures. We're headed back to the pool now. We are ready and we changed. So we're just gonna go back for a while. And then bird on the windowsill. Oh, okay. I'm gonna change back in my outfit so we can just take pictures. So I haven't gotten that many Instagram pictures. It's a new water show. I like this one.
You've never had. If you think I'm burning out, I never am. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire.
It's a little foggy right now because of the humidity, but
I tried putting in his first, but he didn't let me.
Alright guys, it's getting too foggy. We're going to the pool though, so we'll catch you.
Toodles. We're done with the pool. It's closed. We're headed back to the room right now. We're gonna shower real quick and then take a bath. And I want to read in the bath because they have like the wooden thing you put over it. I've been needing one of those. And then we're gonna eat. I'm gonna get dressed and take some pictures, and then that's pretty much it for the day. So yeah, just took a quick little shower. We got the bath running, a little blurry. Oh yeah, see how fancy that is? I like that. Coming out of this little, ooh, that feels nice. And then this is the one thing I was talking about, like hello, love this. I'm gonna read my book in here and stuff. Also got some bath salt right here. Okay, it says my memory card is out of storage, so I'm gonna record the rest on my phone, but I just ordered 2 chicken tender orders, and yeah. Chicken tenders came in our fries. Gave us a flour, lemons, my pickles, but I don't know why they diced it up.
Well, the lemons are for the Coke.
Oh, I was wondering what that was for.
I just didn't put it in mine.
Yeah.